Hi guys, welcome to this Python tutorial. In our last video, we have seen about the identifiers. So the rules of the identifiers has been given like this. And yes, if you want to comment, if you want to use comment in your program, you can always use the hash. So the hash key is for the comment. That's what I have just left out these and to show this. So one, it's always good practice to use the comment so that whoever can see your code, they can easily come to understand, and even you can also after years, if you see about the if you look into the code, you can come to know what you have did at the past. All right, so added with these okay, anyhow, these are all the rules of the identifiers, right? So in this video we'll see about particularly about the variables. In the last video we have seen the variables, so let me, as per this particular condition, let me create a variable. All right, so in this video it's all about the variables, like declaration of the different variables, a declaration of the same values to the different variables, and different values for the different variables will be the agenda. Let's start with the def. All right, def is just consider def is a variable, and yeah, I'm giving it to 10, and if is another variable, I'm giving it to be some 13. Then yeah, embedded world, that okay, embed, I'm giving embed is like 16 I had given, and for is another variable, I'm giving it to 65. All right, so if you look at this, see, only for this embed, the it is not highlighted. So apart from this, these are all kind of highlighted to orange color. So let's see the reason behind it. I just saved, and we'll try to uh, we'll run this. See, it's invalid syntax. So what is the reason behind it? Because yes, of course, it is alphabet only, right? So we have lowercase and uppercase, we have given the alphabet only, but still there is an error. The reason is def, if, and for. These are all the reserved keywords in Python. So the another rule is we should not use the reserved keywords. All right, the identifiers must not reserved words keywords. So this is another one, another condition that makes it to, instead of this I'll give red, instead of this I'll give 5, instead of this I'll give ROF. All right, so let me execute now, and yes, I'm sorry, I have not at all given the print statement. So all right, print 5, print embed, embedded, and finally print ROF. All right, so should not get confused. The previous compilation is not succeeded because it's given us def, fi, and for. These are all keywords. So now it will be yes, fine. See, it's printing whatever you want, and we can also print in the output in the console window. All right, so we can give like ROF. We can get the ROF value. All right, again fi can get, but this is a good practice. Using the print statement is a very good practice to um, run the program. All right, so this is what so this uh, condition you have to understand. So for that, I have continue the previous one, and let me uh, get into the another topic, that is let me give the variables like abc is equal. So now the agenda is to assign uh, same values, uh, for same values, yes, for different variables. All right, so different variables, let me give a b c is a variable. I will give the value as 55, then bac is equal to 55, then cfg is equal to 55. So now let me print this. ABC, or yeah, BAC. I give BAC. All right, and give CFG. All right, so let me run this. Yes, of course it will print 55. Can ignore the above one. If it diverts, let me remove it. Let's run from, yeah. I'm sorry, there is I'm sorry, I have removed the declaration as well. Yeah, so yeah, we got 555. Yeah, of course, this the same value, but we have given a different way. Instead of this, we can also give like this. Yes, like this. Also, we can define the particular variable as it is a same value. All right. So to avoid confusion, let me give some 66. Now run this. Yes. See all the values um, shown like it is. Yeah. All right. So we can even try independently. We can here we can try um, just ABC. All right. So we can get this. So if you want to give uh, all the variables have been see here the condition is the same value can be declared in three different variables. So this is the one thing that we can just use whenever you want to use as like now in application oriented you may go for some same variables. You can go for different variables can go for the same value, so that we can use this. And that's all about this video, and the next video will start with the another interesting topic. All right, until then, yes, I hope it would be helpful. And yes, if it is fine, you can hit a like and don't forget to subscribe. We'll get back to you in the next video.